Hello and welcome to the Schoenberg database. I'm Emma Caulfield, the project coordinator. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to add a new entry. So you'll see I'm signed into my account. I'm going to head down to the Tools section of the control panel and add a new entry from a source. This is the Add an Entry page. The first step is to select or create the source that you're working from. I'm working from the Phillips catalog today, so I'm going to search on the source date first. You'll see these are all of the source records in the database that have a date of 1837, and there's a lot, so I'm going to narrow down my search a bit more. And here's the Phillips catalog. If your source doesn't have a record in the database yet, you'll need to create that first before you create your entry. So in that case, you would click here to create a new source. Tell us which source type you're working with, and then tell us additional information about your source. We don't have to do that in this case, so let's go back. We're going to select that catalog, and you'll see that the source information was added automatically to my entry. You can save a draft at any time, but you'll need to click the blue Save button when you're finished to send your work to the admins who will review it and then publicize it. Remember to consult tooltips every time. These tooltips will tell you the content standards and explain the fields in greater detail. In the Manuscript Details section, you can add additional fields. If your manuscript has multiple titles or authors, you can get rid of those by clicking the X to the side. For fields that deal with personal names or institutions, you'll see an as recorded and an authority name field. The as recorded should be repeating your source data verbatim, and then the authority field is where you'll select a standardized version of the name you're working with. This helps to improve search results. In the provenance section, we ask that you enter the provenance agents in chronological order, starting with the earliest. But if you make a mistake and add them in the wrong order, you don't have to retype all of your work. Just click and hold one of the agents and drag them into the proper order. Once you're done with your work, click Save, and your admins will review it for you. Thanks for watching.